So I want to show you why it's important to learn about the flat earth and why maps are important too. If you just look at this map, now this is your flat earth map here. It says right in here, it says the June solstice, and it shows you what the sun does, but it says in figures June and December, the white represents the sun's position in his respective months at noon. This shows sunlight inside the Antarctic Circle for 24 hours. It shows you exactly how it's doing it. And this map is a flat Earth map. So it's really quite interesting when you learn this stuff, because what happens is the sun goes around, okay, just like this. It goes around. And it only lights certain pieces at a time, because that's how light works. Light doesn't travel forever. Okay, I had someone say the other day, oh, if it was flat, the light would light up everything at once. It just wouldn't. It's local. So it goes around like this and lights as it goes. And that actually explains time zones and everything, and seasons. The reason we have seasons is because the sun is going in and out as it circles. So it's circling, going in, out. And the sun, when it's time to come back, all right? So what's happening basically is you have your solstices. The winter solstice is December 22nd, 23rd, 24th. And then the sun on the 25th begins to move back. It starts to come back to the northern part of the world. Now, once the sun gets to the spring equinox, that means it's crossing over the equator. And it's quite simple, because the sun was closer to this portion of the earth. It was closer to the outer rim, okay? And so it was circling, but it was closer to the outer rim, which is why they had their hot season and us in here had our cold season. Now, during that equinox, what it's doing is it's crossing back over closer to our side. So the sun is closer now to the inside than it was to the outside. And same with the fall equinox. That is crossing over, going over further away from the north. It's that simple. It's on a circuit, on a track, just like it says in the Bible, just like it talks about in a lot of ancient texts. You got to understand, this is a flat earth map. They turned it into a big sphere, all right? It wasn't designed like that. Now, I'll show you another right now. So you have that one, which is obviously awesome. Then you have this awesome map as well here, another flat earth map. Now, in the beginning of this one, this is the map that says Rupes Niagara in the middle, that right there. Rupes Niagara, what does that mean? It means BlackRock. That's why when I don't trust companies like BlackRock. Why? Because they're using flat earth symbolism in the name of the company. All right, symbolism is really important to note. Now, what does this look like to you? See that symbol? I can't really say it, but what does it look like to you? Interesting, right? It also looks very much like the stars above us. So this would be directly beneath the pole star or Polaris. And it's interesting because it looks very similar to the sky when you look at the sky and Polaris and the stars around it. It's pretty cool. But anyway, I love the flat earth because it shows us that we don't know everything. There's a whole world that we don't know because we have been lied to. We have been manipulated. We have been tricked. We have been fooled into believing this nonsense that isn't real. And you can prove it to yourself. I don't want you to believe me. That's not why I do this. What would be the purpose of that? If you just believe me, then you're just believing someone else now. You're not understanding it. Do the research, learn, go out, try, learn, read, do the research. That's what's important. I love you all. This is my opinion. Go to my website if you want more information. WithTheSun33.com. I'm not a Freemason. With the Sun is my name in Latin. 33 is the Pythagorean numerology of the name. I hope to see you over there. Again, this is my opinion.